About to try this again with the 3-draw puller. I'll put you up on time lapse in a second. About to try it again. It's finally off. Now I can get back to the rest of it. Thank you. God damn it. All right, now I'll tear all this back down and get started on the rebuild. I'll put y'all back on. God damn it, it's finally off. I'll put y'all back on after the rebuild. Yeah. I'm about to tear it back down, put all the gaskets and stuff on it. That's what it's looking like. Black as hell in here. Timing too still good.
Everybody go to hang when you wait for.
There's a lot of oil.
Clear it all with the AR. These niggas they talk about it. You know you gotta go and get guap. All my niggas, yo, straight from the block. Came in the gang, getting green on top. And if a nigga play, probably knock off the top. My nigga ain't never had love for no nigga, yo nigga, no bitch won't let him. No, I never ever let him. No, yeah, all my niggas, yeah. You know the niggas all on hitters, yeah. Taliban all on killers, yeah. Slide down on them, get rid of them, yeah. Fuck you, man. Hey son, you know them lame man nigga better not say nothing to me. All that tongue wrestling shit ain't me. I'm a motherfucking boss, what you want me to be?
Yeah, about to gasket it up, put it back together.
Somebody tell me why they hang on me. Somebody tell them stop hanging on me. Forget about it, you was
All right, so far so good. I got the 3-draw puller to work, even though I just ordered the right one. I got it soaking in degreaser for now. I don't know y'all method. I'm doing my method. As long as it works, it's right. You understand what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get something to eat. My wife, lady, cooked. I'm gonna go ahead, go get something to eat, come back out, wipe this thing down, take this oil pan off. That's what I really gotta go get something for the oil to go in. Gotta ask the wife, what can I use? I ain't bought no oil pan yet, no drip pan. And then when I come back from eating everything, that should be all done washed down. I can get the cleaning it, taking it off, flip this upside down, see what the inside look like. I mean, it looked like exactly what I thought it would look like because I'm the one was driving this car. This ain't no wreck car I bought. This ain't no salvage title. Got a clean title, 2003 Suburban. I had 26-inch Texas reps on there. That system was in there. Yeah, it was my baby. I'm just tired of paying the $80 to $100 for gas in the Suburban, and all my kids is bigger, got their own cars and stuff now, so I don't need that many seats and all that stuff. I bought it for the third row. I like old cars. As you can see, my name on YouTube is I Drive Old Cars. That's what I like to do. So at the end of the day, I figured, why keep paying $80 to $100 to fill up this tank when I can put it in the Caprice, put 60 to 80 in, and enjoy what I'm driving. Won't mind that it costs me $80 to fill up a tank. I don't care if I'm driving around in a 96 Caprice or a 92 OBS pickup. I'm fine with that. I don't care how much gas is. It can be $5 a gallon. I'll enjoy that. So my Yukon and my Suburban is donor motors to me. I never bought the Yukon to drive at all. Just so happened my Camry went out that I was beating around. So all I had left was the Denali. And I started driving it, slapped the Suburban tag on it, never got it registered or nothing. It's still in them other people's name. The title is still in somebody else's name, because I never bought it to drive. I bought it just for a motor swap, and I ended up having to drive it. So, make a long story short, I'm gonna put that motor I'm gonna put the Suburban motor right here into the 96 Caprice. And I'm gonna put the 6.0 Denali motor into the 92 OBS. This motor right here, come on camera, I'm new to this stuff. This motor right here, I'm gonna build up. It was for the Don't, but I'm gonna build it for the Camaro, and get a street car going on. Build up the Camaro. Hopefully I feel confident enough to try to build a turbo kit and all that stuff by then. I'm gonna build that up for the Camaro, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Don't right now. I'm putting that dead last because I don't give two shits about this 150 frame off, all that shit. My shit ain't gonna be like that. I don't care nothing about that, but I still want it nice. I don't want it shitty. You understand what I'm saying? These cars can be shitty because I'm gonna beat the hell out. I'm gonna drive them every single day, like normal. Like.
I might fuck your whole pal bill. Yeah, we gon' talk, get it how we play. I got my on the list. Got a dog get Vietnamese. With the niggas that wanna be. Cause we got the key to the streets. We got the key to the streets. We got the key to the streets.
Look at that,
we got the key to the streets. We got the key to the streets. Yeah.
Look at that. That's the piece that I put from the knock sensor.
Pull up on
Down there 300,000. Well, all right. This the process. This where we at right now. Letting it soak down with degreaser. Then hit it with brakes part cleaner. Spin it around a few times. Make sure I don't see nothing. And that's gonna be my way of cleaning up the engine. Once again, it's my first time, but I'm just gonna do it the way I see fit. If it work, it work. If it don't, it was worth the try. Make a long story short, when that dry up, I'm gonna start putting all the parts back on it. And however it go, it go. I pray for the best. And hopefully it worked for the best. And I get to enjoy it. And it all paid out. Now what I will say is I'm kind of impressed at the motor. I know for the last 5-6 months of me having it, it went to Philly, Florida, back to Georgia, back to Florida, back to Philly, stuff like that. And all I did was add more and more fluid to it, Lucas and shit like that. The trains were straight. I ain't really had to do much to that, but I see my Corvette. Whoever put the motor together, they had like more than just silicone on the quarters. They had it all around, and like all the bolts was oily. Everything was oily under there, the pan, the filter, all that stuff. So I'm gonna try to put it back together the right way. Hopefully everything works out. One thing I know for sure, this motor run and drive. I drove it everywhere. Hopefully it runs better. Hopefully it makes it more power. I'm so anxious to throw this cam in there. I want to put that cam in there so bad. I got some 600 springs up there. But I just want to drive, so I'm gonna do this first. Hopefully it work, and I'll drive like that. I'll cam up the 6.0 or something like that, or maybe cam it down the line just because I'm happy I know how to do it. But that's a wrap. I ain't gonna keep wrapping your head off. I'll put you back on time lapse once this thing drip off, and I turn it over a few times and just clean it off some before I start assembling the gaskets and putting a new pan and stuff on. All right. So far, just cleaning out the block and making sure then it's back on. Found the piece for the oil pickup tube. I thought I lost it, but there it go. About to install it. seen it, but so I'm giving the benefit of the doubt and try to put it together. That is not the pickup tube that came with this. So, gotta order some parts. I did. Well, I did get the oil pump pickup tube how I wanted it. That piece ain't work. There's that. Make it over there, but it wouldn't fit right. It wouldn't go up under here correctly. So I put the factory bolt. Right there on that side. You see it's acting like a washer. I'm pulling it down. And I got that one, the aftermarket bolt, tight as I can get it over there. Fucking silicone. Yeah. But that's that. Guess I gotta go order either a pickup tube or try to get to the junkyard and get I think I gotta get a pickup tube because I don't think that worked unless I take the OBS out and do the OBS first. I don't think that worked for 96 Impala. I'll look it up. Well, that's how far we made it. That's where we at with it.